We're very comfortable with the environment. We have nice neighbors and we haven't had any issues with the area we're at.
We are very comfortable in this neighborhood. It's actually very close to the neighborhood that we're really happy here.
And the company has been very nice. If we have any questions or concerns, they've been able to reply very quickly, so we really appreciate that.
So the day that we moved in, we found a problem with the air conditioner that had not been present. And before the end of the afternoon, there was a serviceman here fixing the problem.
We don't have any crime in the area since there's a couple of schools around. The crime, there's none that I know of. It's been very safe.
We don't have any problems with crime. It's a very family-oriented neighborhood, and everything has been really, really nice since we've been here. Because it's in a great school district, it's close to grocery stores and lots of food, and it's very close to where we commute for work.
It's because of the school. My son goes to a school that's down the street, and it's about 10 minutes away from our job, so it's very convenient to pick this location and this house.
We were actually quite surprised to find a house this large for this price in this neighborhood, so we've been very happy.
The rent is very affordable, and then we just like the area. The accommodations and, like I said, school and work is very close and convenient, so it was